Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and this video is the final video on the DIY pine cleaner for your home. So I like doing this. I like cleaning with vinegar, period. There's a lot of benefits cleaning with vinegar. It's all natural is one thing, but also adding pine just kind of bumps it up a little bit. So really quickly, I just want to let you know, like, vinegar is acidic. It's really good to use for like mineral deposits, you know, like around your shower head where it gets, or even in your coffee maker, plain vinegar, not with the pine. But where you see that hard water buildup or chemical or mineral deposits, it's great for that. Cleaning dirt, grease, soap, scum, sticker glue. It's a good thing to get rid of sticker glue. But you have to be careful with vinegar because it's really acidic. So you always want to dilute it. You don't want to use it straight. You always want to add a little water, which I'm going to show you how I do that with this. You should always rinse after you use vinegar or this pine mixture, because some surfaces you'll see, like if you put it on some metal surfaces and leave it like that, it can damage that, especially things like chrome. It'll not be good for that. And also be very careful anytime you're using it on a new surface. Test it in an inconspicuous area so that you don't damage your surface and ruin it. It's also very harmful to plants, so be careful in your house if you're spraying stuff and you've got, you know, plants in your kitchen window. The mist doesn't get on them because it's bad for that. But then on the flip side, that could be a good thing because you can spray it directly on weeds in the cracks of your sidewalk and stuff and get rid of them. Pine, did you know that most commercial products don't have any pine? They say they're like pine cleaners and they don't have any pine in them. It's just a smell that they put in there. But pine is really good for things in your bathroom, for grime in your kitchen, and especially on your floors. So this is really a good thing. I like to put this in a spray bottle and spray it on my laminate floors when I'm using my mop. Really, really works well. Okay, that being said, let's pour this out. So now I've got my cool strainer. Let me rinse this off real quick. So I have this one strainer and it's really a tight weave. See that? And I like that because it gets most everything out. So I'm just going to put that over this big Pyrex. You can do a bowl, but I got my little Pyrex thing. And I'm going to pour this out. And I want to show you the color that the vinegar turned. Kind of work that out there. Perfect. Now we'll take those out and get rid of them. And when you first do this, it takes about 3 weeks. The first week, it smells like vinegar. Then it gets this funky, like chemical-y smell, like into the second week. And then the third week, it kind of settles out. Doesn't smell like vinegar, doesn't really smell like pine. Kind of just smells like a vinegar pine thing. I don't even know how to explain it. But you can see that was clear. That was white vinegar. And you can see how it's changed colors because it's picked up those oils out of the pine. Now, what do? I have an old root beer bottle that I'm going to pour this in, and then I will show you the way. I will set this in the in my little cleaning closet. I have a closet where all my little, I have like one of those little rolly racks, those 3-tiered things that has all my products that I make, because I make all of my cleaning products. I haven't bought a cleaning product in, I don't know, besides dish liquid, and I buy Dawn because I like that they help the ducks. But anyway, I make all my cleaning products. I can't tell you when the last time I used a store-bought cleaning product was. So there we have a bottle of very concentrated cleaner. And I need to find a better top. This is broken, but I will set that down in my cleaning area and I'll use that. But what I'm going to do, because I want that super pine smell, I've got a couple extra bottles of just pine essential oils. Am I going to put it in there? No, because I have fir needle, I have balsam fir, I have pine, so I don't want to smell up the whole thing, and it's just better when you do it in individual, let me get my little thing back, when you do it like in little individual containers. So I'm going to take a spray container, and I'm going to put about a 25%, so that's probably enough. Depends on the size of your container. I like to do about 25%. So let me fill this with a little bit of water, and then we're going to add some essential oils to it, and I will have created a very powerful, very effective pine cleaner, pine smelling cleaner for my home. So this is 100% pure essential oil, and if you ever want a really good product, check out Simply Earth. And I actually have a link in my description that would give you a discount on a monthly subscription box, which is I've been getting for years. I'm going to put 10 drops in there. And now I'm going to seal that up. Put my little sprayer on there. And I have this labeled just multi-purpose cleaning spray, which is pretty much what it is. And now I'm going to give it a little spray here. Good for windows too. Okay, so now I totally smell the pine. And oh, look at that. Got those little marks off. So I have been doing a bunch of stuff. I had a bunch of books here and things like that and canning supplies. And so I'll want to clean this really well before I do anything else on it. And I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to come back with a damp rag and I'm going to rinse it. So there you have it. Homemade. Oh, it smells good. I love adding the pine to it. Such a good idea. So homemade vinegar pine cleaner that you can use on all kinds of things, and it's super effective. So I hope you guys give that a try, and let me know the different things you use it on. And like I said, be careful if you're using it on a place that you haven't used it before. You want to do a test. Okay, there you have it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.